More and more construction waste are generated due to the booming economy, fast urbanization, old city reconstruction, and infrastructure construction in recent years. Although the pollution of construction waste is relatively low, its quantity increases greatly. Construction waste have already taken up 30% to 40% of the urban waste, and are stacked or buried in the suburb without any treatment, making one of the primary pollution sources. Utilizing the construction waste is an important method to conserve land, resources, and is the urgent demand for reducing the urban dust and environmental pollution. The main components of construction waste are inorganic materials with stable chemical properties, and they are acid-resistant, alkali-resistant, and waterproof. The physical properties are also stable, big granule, good water permeability, frost heat resistant, and small plasticity. These properties allow it to be good construction material after recycle and treatment. Facing with the challenge of decreasing resources and increasing construction waste, QGM designed and made a combined production line of automatic block making and construction waste treatment. The production line includes feeding, crushing, dedusting, magnetic separation, classification, recrushing, rededusting, and screening to produce high-quality construction waste aggregates. The coarse aggregates and the fine aggregates are delivered into the block production line through batching and mixing systems, automatic block making machine, pillar, forklift, and a curving run to produce various kinds of high-value blocks for internal wall and external wall, tiles, sloping blocks, interlocks, and curbstones, etc. The recycling utilization of construction waste has high economic benefits and is also good for environment protection. The government fully supports the policy to recycle and use the construction waste. Using construction waste to produce the blocks and bricks has high market potential and can maximize the economic benefit is one of the most promising industries.